back. Don't miss out on the latest cryptocurrency market updates and forecast. Subscribe today. In this prolonged down market, I would like to share with you my latest endeavor. I figured it was only fair to reward true stockholders like yourselves. Now, one lucky Chobani subscriber will 100 million chips every Friday. Absolutely correct. Tokens worth 100 million Shiba Inus. If you need clarification on what to do, look in the discussion below. Moving 3.3 billion Shiba Inus per year is a job for whales. The Whale Watch predicts that Shiba will accelerate to the front. Tokens worth 3.36 quadrillion Shiba Inus have been transferred by the crypto whale to an untraceable address. Even the most widely mocked cryptocurrencies, such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, posted gains as the digital asset market as a whole showed signs of stabilization. Contrary to popular belief, crypto whales have been buying up a lot of Shiba Inu during the past day, as evidenced by whale transaction trackers. According to Whale Alert, there's been a 5% increase in the price of Shibas. One of the world's largest cryptocurrency holders has transferred 3.36 trillion Shiba Inu to an untraceable wallet. A total of about $35.77 million is represented by all the moved SHIB tokens in circulation. The previous 24 hours had not seen a single transaction larger than this one. The cost of a Shiba Inu, meanwhile, has increased by more than 5% in the past day. At the time of publication, her average price was 4 zeros and 10. Despite the increased volatility, Shiba Inu has maintained a market valuation of over $5.7 billion. The total amount of money exchanged in a day is now $344.4 million, up 215% from a year ago. After making a large proclamation throughout the whale's metaverse, it was recorded making this massive breach. According to what was written, the metaverse is evolving into a diverse community. They had already made a joint announcement with the third level. If you enjoyed the video and would like to show your support, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Is her charm dwindling? Meanwhile, the Shiba Inu coin that was previously associated with Ethereum whales has been replaced. Among the top 100 Ethereum holders, STG token has amassed the largest portfolio. The Shiba Inu's $127.9 million in Ethereum holdings are dropping out of the top 100 whales. As such, it represents 4.84% of all whales owned in total. But despite the uncertainty of the crypto market, Shiba Inu token holders appear to be sticking firm. Over the previous day, the Shiba token's burn rate has decreased by a full 100%. During the previous day, only 732k SHIB tokens have been delivered to a non-existent wallet. The Shiba Inu breaks the record for the longest living dog breed. According to data from Entering the Block, the amount of Shiba Inu traded has increased by a whopping 211%. The fraction of long-term holders in SHIB has recently reached an all-time high. A record 38% of investors are now considered long-term holders or hodlers, while the ratio of intermediate-term speculators keeps falling. Meanwhile, data from the block show that the proportion of short-term holders has remained largely stable over time. About 38% of the company's stockholders have been holding onto their tokens for more than a year. Of those who still hold their tokens, 59% have done so within a year, while only 3% have held on for less than a month. Since the beginning of 2022, the percentage of Shiba Inu hodlers addresses holding SHIB for more than a year has increased dramatically, from less than 1% to more than 38%. She still attracts a considerable number of investors despite the fact that her popularity has declined significantly from its heyday. According to Whale Stats, a cryptocurrency statistics tracker, there are currently 1,230,662 Shiba Inu holdings, showing a recent growth in the number of shareholders. CoinMarketCap reports a 211% increase in Shiba Inu trading activity. As the SHIB price rises, the volume of transactions involving Shiba Inus has increased by 211%. SHIB was trading at 4.10 at press time, up 5.50% over the previous 24 hours. A closing above 4.11 would represent the second straight day in the green for the SHIB price. Trading volumes for most cryptocurrencies tend to grow as volatility does, as investors buy and sell in greater quantities in an effort to reap the rewards of price swings. New data suggests that investors have been buying SHIB at the present price, which may explain the recent surge in SHIB volume. we still don't know what the majority of the platform's functionality will be. The fact that Shiba Inu plans to create the first NFT marketplace on the Siberian L2 is generating a lot of buzz. OpenSea is the most users of any platform in the crypto industry, and its use of non-fungible tokens is a fascinating and rapidly growing endeavor. But with more and more options for trading, this is likely to change. Kazaa is one of the platforms that has been predicted to emerge as a formidable new rival. Despite the fact that the project's features and services generated a great deal of excitement and optimism about Shiba Inu's future, the value of the Shiba Inu followed a declining trend. Will the buyers be able to cause an opposite breakout? There was a growing advantage for purchasers, as seen by the open interest. In the last 3 weeks, buyers have been fighting to change the bearish narrative around Shiba Inu, and the long-term trend line has been converted from resistance to support. The 5098 support recently prompted a purchasing resurgence, but the buyers were unable to get an immediate upper hand. With a prolonged move above the current pattern, buyers may be able to push prices to new all-time highs in the near future. A bearish pennant setup on the daily charts was made possible by the SHIB's breaking above the 4010 level in the previous month. A reversal was prompted, however, by the 20 EMA red and the 50 EMA cyan, both of which persisted as hurdles to a recovery. Inflicting a pattern breakdown, this reversal sent SHIB back on a bearish course. Meanwhile, a down channel yellow was used for this descent. Sellers would maintain their near-term advantage while the 20/50 miss was negative. If price action bounces back from the 98 level, it might set up a breakout above the existing pattern. The range from 0 to 4 digits after the decimal point is potentially damaging to the attempt to buy. Any successful closing above this range provides much-needed upside for the coin. Under such conditions, SHIB may have a bearish invalidation and move toward the 4.11 support area. A retest of the down channel's lower trend line would be warranted. However, should prices drop below the channel's immediate support level? If you enjoyed the video and would like to show your support, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. A rise over zero in the Chaikin money flow CMF chimed with the increased purchasing pressure, but its higher troughs over the last 3 days have shown a bearish divergence with the price movement. However, holding above the 50-day moving average might add gasoline to the bullish story. Analysis of total SHIB futures open interest over the past 24 hours reveals a whopping 5.22% increase in open interest. In tandem, the price movement increased by almost 3% within the same period. For the short future, this reading was positive. Any break above the current pattern might set the token up for a bull run, should buyers take advantage of it. There was a 30-day connection of 43% between the alternative currency and Bitcoin, suggesting that monitoring Bitcoin's movement in regard to market mood could be crucial for